So Insight and Roy Hill first started working together about 8 years ago when Roy Hill were looking for a bespoke solution to help manage and plan their shifts in their mining sites. We've worked with about a dozen different mining organizations in the region to help them from operational reporting through to cloud transformation through the modern workplace, but then into truly advanced areas such as production optimization of a mining circuit.
As part of their cloud-native journey to support new and emerging business requirements, Insight are currently working with Roy Hill to assist with their modernisation and redevelopment of their existing system integrations currently hosted within their SAP system. Roy Hill selected Microsoft Azure as their target platform for their modernisation and migration. As part of this, Insight have implemented our integration platform accelerator, Insight Path. The move to Azure will allow Roy Hill to continue to support the business integration requirements, whilst leveraging enhanced capability to implement new integration patterns and provide a clear path for implementing future integration requirements.
We are working to a strategic account plan with Microsoft. So we are hand in hand aligned in terms of where Kate wants to take the business over the next 12 to 18 months with her team, and the most important things for them to enable technology to meet their business outcomes.